हांगा कितें अशें चलता तें म्हाका दिसता की म्हणजे मनीसपणाचेर आड कशें आमकां देवान रचल्या आनी तांणी सृश्टी आमच्या हातांत दिल्या. आतां खंयच्याय धर्माचो जावं म्हणटा आमी ओळखून घेता की देवाची रचना म्हणून. आनी म्हाका दिसता सृश्टी कडेन आनी आमचे कडेन खोल नातें आसा. आमकां देवान राखणदार कशें आसा आनीक हें नातें म्हाका दिसता आमी सांबाळूंक जाय ह्या संवसारांत आसा पर्यंत. दुसरें म्हाका दिसता हांव जेवतां भाजी पालो खाता तें सगळें जमनींतलें उत्पन्न आयलेलें. तर म्हाका उपकार आसपाक जाय हे जमनीचो हे सृश्टीचो बाबा हितूंतल्यान हांव आज म्हणजे जिवाक हांव कुयदाद घेता म्हणून हांव जेवतां खाता हांवें कडेन तें रोवंक ना कडेन तें कोणें रोयलां तातूंतल्यान ना पूण कोणें तरी जमनीचो फोड काडला हांव तांदूळ गोठो आमकां दिला म्हणून. देखून हांव ह्या नात्यान एक चलता तें म्हज्या कुस्तेसाक बरें दिसना. सृश्टी अशी माडोवप रोयलोलो रोवंक जातालें शेतान उडोवप तें पूण मागीर फुडाराक कितें काय मागीर अशें सगळें आयलें तर आमी कितें खातले फकत एक्सपोर्ट करतले आमी. आमचे गोंयचे सोबीत निजाची इतली बरी जमीन आमची इतलें बरें देवान दिल्लें आमकां तें पाड घालप आनीक मागीर दुडू आसा म्हणून मागीर भायले हाडून भाजी खावप. आमी जाणा मातशें पयलीं लॉकडावन जालें कोविडेंत आमी पळयलां कितले कशे त्रास जाले ते आमच्यान जातून तरी तर अशें तरी आसलेलें जाल्यार इतलें सोंपेपणां जावचें जातालें आसलें. सो ह्या नात्यान हांव हांगासर ह्या जम्याच्या बरोबर एक मनान आमी सगळीं हाचेर आमची खोंत परगटात तातूंत ताका लागून हांवूय आसा.
ॲक्च्युली शशीफरा तालिगांवकार उठपाक हें आमी केलां रायट फ्रॉम 15th of August इंडिपेंडन्स डे आमी स्टार्ट केलां हें till 31st August every day 5 to 6 PM every day protest केला आणि from September till continuous till whatever the result of this we will do every Thursday 5 to 6. कित्याक दाखोवपाक जाय लोकांक की आमी भियोंक ना हिंगा आमी फुडें सरल्यार कितें चेंज हाडपाक जाय म्हणून. हें आमचें शेत लोकांचें शेत ड्युरींग पॅन्डेमीक टायम तुमी हें शेत घेता लोकांचें जेन्ना लोकांनी दे हॅव प्लावड द फील्ड तुम्ही डेब्रीज हिंगा घातला तुम्ही फॉर न्यू पंचायत घर. पंचायत इज सपोज टू बी अ पीपल्स बॉडी. इट्स सपोज टू बी promoting farming and supposed to be protecting the lands. But our very own panchayat is building a new panchayat घर. Second, we already have a good AC full-fledged panchayat. अरे थोडी वेबसाईट इन्वेस्ट करात. हॅव अ न्यू वेबसाईट. वेबसाईट पासून ना आमच्या तालिगांव. No email ID also for correspondence of mail. Instead of going in today's technology time, pandemic time, when we need to have online, you're asking people to come to the office here and fill in all applications, to fill in all complaints. Have this first instead of this new panchayat girl. Invest in something that people will benefit at staying at home. Don't expect people to come over here. So this is a constant fight की आमचे पैसे सारखे वचना. कोणाक जाय न्यू पंचायत घर आणि लोकांचे शेत घेता तुम्ही आणि जागो ना. Mr. Monserrat has so much of land. Mr. Monserrat, I think so you should donate some land to the panchayat. 20 years you and your family have been in power over here. I think so least you can do is gift, then grab. So please, सगळे लोक जे आहात हे ऐकता आता स्पेशली आमचे तालिगांवकार तुम्ही फुडें सरपाक जाय की आमचे हे शेत जायते लँड हा हिंगा तालिगांवान अँड लॉट ऑफ ग्रॅबर्स आर देर. पूण आमी सारके ना जाल्यार न्हू trust me, you will all be cursed because we human beings are the worst. Greed, no greed जे हा पैशाक लागून आता हे दाखयला न्हू पंचायत घर आनी कितें येतलें मागीर. You all are not doing in the interest of the people. What you need to do, you are not doing. Spend the money in the right way. Panchayat is supposed to be working for the people, helping farmers, utilizing the land in the right way. But right now we can't see this happening. So please, this is a constant battle. Requesting you, the Sarpanch, Mr. Agnelo Tikuna, and the MLA, Jennifer Monserrat, to please listen to the farmers' cries. ICAT, please. This is their land which they have been farming from the age of 5 years. Now they are 70 years old. Today they have got heart problems and pressure problems because you've taken their land away just overnight. And during pandemic time, I mean, it's a shame. I don't think even we would do that to our worst enemies, and you have done it for farmers, just taken them for a ride because they are all senior citizens. Teka lagun आमी हा हिंगा फुडल्यार to help our farmers. हे माझे शेत न्हू, हे लोकांचे शेत न्हू. Very some farmers are over here who have come forward because they also have farmers land, they have their own lands over here. पण पुढे यायला कोण हात किती झालं ते आमचे beautiful green now has become brown, and what is filled inside? Debris, garbage. And you won't believe it, during the rains all the water is getting filled and going into the other side of the field, fertile fields, because it's garbage that is being dumped. So please, poisonous things are going inside. Work on the sewage. Now how much sewage is being dumped into the fields of Talegaon? If you come to any Talegaon field, you will see black water. You will not see it transparent like how when you go to the south. It is a shame that in Talegaon farming is given least importance. The creek is given least importance. You all want to murder the fields over here so that you all can bring in all development in the name of whatever construction or whatsoever, and you all are selling the land left, right and center. Buildings are coming back to back. Arey poyat re, we have water problem, we have so much of problem. Pandemic has taught us a lesson that food is the most important thing in our life. Help farmers, don't take away their land.